Yes, first of all, before I answer this question, I would like to bring one person. Today, if I am standing here, if I am in Canada and I reunite with my family after 7 years, and that your question is directly, she is involved on that boycott, and I would like to call her on the stage, Dr. Micheline Beaudry. She is a professor in Laval University. Please come on.
Well, the boycott has been going on for a long time, as you know, but it clearly came out, I think, in the movie. It's being treated by companies and high-level people as just these NGOs, these little people who don't understand anything. So the boycott is active, it is working for a lot of people, but its impact is limited. The resources that people who are doing the boycott and other actions, there's lots of other actions to protect breastfeeding, the resources that we have to protect breastfeeding are way lower than the resources of the multinationals to promote infant formula. So there's a lot of work to be done. I mean, I think Amir's actions, you do what you have to do, is a wonderful example for all of us as citizens. Every day there are things we could do, and very often when we close our eyes we say, well, I can't do anything about it. But I think we need to decide if we're going to be part of the problem or part of the solution. And it's a wonderful example. I'm quite a witness to all the sacrifices that he has made since he has arrived here, as well as Shafkat and the family. So I'm very thankful that the movie is out. It's a wonderful signal, it's a wonderful message, and I hope it encourages everyone to do what you have to do.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Final question.
It is definitely still going on, and I'd like to second what other people were saying. I think what you did was very brave, and very few people would do that. But I think you saved the lives of a lot of babies from what you did. And though you made those sacrifices for your family, remember you had saved the lives of many, many babies. So I want to...
Thank you.
Information about the boycott, Nestle boycott. I have some, if you want to get a card from me, I'm told I'm not allowed to give them out. But it has the babymilkaction.org is what you can go to. You can get boycott Nestle stickers, which I have.
Sorry, we do have to just unfortunately wrap it up.
I have a lot of stuff. I'm going outside. I bring a lot of stuff. You can take it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, that's just right around.